Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to add your phone number on Facebook the updated way. Whether you just got a new number or want to secure your account, doing this only takes a minute and I'll show you exactly how. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll see your home feed as usual. Now look at the bottom or top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. This is where all your account options and settings live. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap that, then select Settings. This will open your main Facebook settings page. From here, find and tap Personal Information. This section holds your name, email, and other contact details connected to your account. Once you're in Personal Information, look for the option labeled Contact Info. Tap on it. Here you'll see any phone numbers or email addresses currently linked to your account. If you don't have a phone number added yet, no problem. Simply tap Add Mobile Number. A new screen will appear asking you to enter your phone number. Type it in carefully to make sure there are no mistakes. Once you've entered it, tap Next or Confirm, depending on your device. Facebook may send you a text message with a verification code. This step helps confirm that the number truly belongs to you. Open your text messages, find the code from Facebook, and enter it back in the app. After confirming, your phone number will now be successfully linked to your Facebook account. Adding your phone number not only makes it easier to log in and recover your account if you forget your password, but it also helps boost your security. Facebook can use your number for two-factor authentication to protect your profile from unauthorized access. And that's it, you're all set. You've just learned the quick and updated way to add your phone number on Facebook. If this guide helped you, don't forget to check out the next video for more simple Facebook tips.